Funnelvio is a cloud-based software that helps you to create conversion-focused marketing funnels within a click. With the help of Funnelvio, you can create different kinds of funnels like sales funnel, lead generation funnel, check-in and check-out pages, and many more without any coding or technical skill. Smart Academy is the ultimate collection of on-demand systems, training, and more. It exists to help you find the solutions you need to the problems you face while building your online business. Smart Academy has it all: video training, checklists, templates, PDF downloads, and more. It's really the one-stop shop for all things marketing. Fact: can I cancel anytime? No need to cancel. This is a one-time payment. You will not be billed again. How can I get in touch with you? Reach out to us via support@activator.com. No spaces with any questions you may have. How many hours of training is already available? Collectively, we have over 40 hours of training already available, and more is being added every month. When can I access Smart Academy? Once you purchase, you will be sent an email access to Smart Academy members area. If you face any issues, just contact us. What if I want more? Good, I like that ambition. Get in touch with me and tell me what's missing that you would like. If it's tenable, I'll make sure to add it within Smart Academy. Complete features details of Funnelvio. Here I will describe complete features of Funnelvio in a very detailed way, so let's check. 1. Very easy to use interface. 2. Plug and play, a complete product delivery system with all 4 options: email, redirect URL, file download, KPDN.3 up to 100,000 visitors per month, unbeatable in this category. 4. Made point and click, easy to serve marketers across all experience levels. 5. Real-time funnel visualization enabled. 6. Advanced pixel perfect drag and drop editor. 7. No coding or technical skills required. Fully web-based. Just log in and profit. 8. Seamless social and business integrations: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Skype, major autoresponders, Google Calendar, and many more. 9. Fast and furious pre-created blocks built on Google Cloud Pro for faster implementation and loading to increase profit by 57%. 10. Fully responsive, mobile-friendly fast-loading pages. 11. Goal tracking, no external split testing and tracking tools needed. 12. Get quick stats per funnel page, published status, active split test status, and a lot more. 13. Bar and graphics to show revenue, sales, and most valuable customers for one-glance analysis. 14. Create unlimited funnels and pages. 15. Advanced technology has already served more than 20 million page visits. 16. Pick and use 200 plus pre-done modern design pages to get you started immediately. 17. Built-in card and reporting system to sell products with PayPal and Stripe. 18. Supports 5 pricing types: one-time, subscription, free, upsell, downsell, and cross-sell for maximizing profits and conversions. 19. Built-in page importer, import any page online and build your next page in minutes. 21. Click, share, clone, publish, unpublish, delete, and archive funnels single or in bulk. 21. Create clone pages in multiple languages with the built-in drag and drop editor for non-English speaking audience and skyrocket sales. 22. Create and customize buttons and coupons to skyrocket conversions. 23. Also includes a 5-step guide to creating your first product and a new funnel guide. 24. Special launch offer, grab the commercial license without upgrading. Above are the complete features that is offered by Funnelvio currently. Now let's move to the next section of Funnelvio review, where I will give you its complete working process. Complete working process of Funnelvio. Guys, here I will show you complete step-by-step working process of Funnelvio that helps you know more about this tool. Using Funnelvio is super easy. You can start a campaign within a minute. First, log in to Funnelvio and you will see below-looking interface. Step 1. Pick template, import a page, create from scratch. Step 2. Customize based on your needs. Step 3. Hit publish to go live. Above is the simple 3-step process to start with Funnelvio. Well, let's come to the next section of Funnelvio review, where I will show you who must go for this smart funnel builder. Is Funnelvio worthy? Let me honest on it. Funnelvio is really an amazing tool for marketers and business owner because a right marketing funnel is everything, and it's the backbone of every successful business. So Funnelvio helps you to create amazing landing pages, marketing funnels and check-in check-out pages easily. Also, you can do email, SMS and payment integration on your landing page. Everything of online business need. So, don't pay to click funnels, lead pages, or Kartra kit of tool every month. Just try Funnelvio at $67 only for lifetime. Remember, the vendor of this product will add new extra features every single month. By that you don't feel any kind of limitation in this funnel builder software. So it's really worth investing in this software. It's just cost you $67 for lifetime access with my all premium bonuses for free. What are you thinking now? Just go and grab this amazing tool at discounted price now. Price will increase from today, so get your copy now.